glam factor. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of your split ends or any bad rough ends of your hair right at your home itself without compromising on your hair length. As we know, due to this lockdown, we are not able to go to salons or parlors to get our haircut done and hair spas done. So I just thought, why not share with you guys how you can do it right at your home itself by yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it yourself at your home itself using just 3 products. So yeah, let's see. And this video is in collaboration with Foxy, a platform that connects beauty influencers with brands. So if you are a beauty influencer like me, you should definitely check them out. I'll be providing their links in the description. Make sure you check them out. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for beginning with this, all we are going to need is a comb. I have taken a wooden comb. You can take any sort of comb you want. A scissor, a sharp scissor, and a rubber band. So let's start. So at first I'll be beginning with middle parting my hair into 2 sections and I'll be detangling my hairs. Now with the help of the rubber band, I'll be tying up one of the sections and will be working with the other section. Now I'll be taking a smaller section from one of these sections like so, and we'll start twisting it like I have shown here. Twist it till the end. Make sure there is no tangle. Now pinch your hair at the end and come upwards like so. You will see certain small flyouts coming out of your hair strand. Now take your scissor and cut out the split ends that you can see. Since most of the split ends tend to get out due to this process, so it becomes really easier to identify and cut them out. Focus at the ends because that's where all these split ends tend to happen the most. Now repeat the same twist and cut process for the entire section and do it like that. So one section is done, now it's time for the other section. So I'll be tying up the section that I have already done. So as usual, we'll be repeating the same process of twist and cut, and yeah, we'll get the results. So our both sections are done, and as you can see the difference already. My hairs look better than before. So that's basically done. I'm applying some serum for giving some extra shine to my hair on both the sections. Really focusing on the roots. So yeah, it's done. So yeah, this is how you can get rid of your split ends and get back your flawless, smooth and crispy hair. So make sure you try this at your home and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for that. Make sure you check out Foxy and follow the Instagram account. I'll be providing all the links in my description. Check that out. And yeah, let's meet up in our next video. Bye.